So guys, you all are welcome to this channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about how Professor Kalu Ukoha, which is a very renowned professor, also a university don, he has appealed to Abia State Governor Alex Otti to return the affairs of the local government areas in the state to the former Orji Kalu'S era, where council chairman had to they had total access to their finances for easy development of the state. So guys, according to him, the local government area, which is the 30th year of government, was completely ignored by those that succeeded Orji Kalu'S since 2007. He said that they had a functioning local government area that opened up rural roads across the states during the time of Dr. Orji Kalu'S. Most of them awarded and executed contracts. Also, they employed workers and paid salaries every month. It was shocking that those that succeeded him could not continue it, giving room for criminality to strive in the rural areas. So guys, he was saying that it is time to resuscitate our local government system and allow the democracy to thrive. So guys, according to him, Orji Kalu'S, that's from his investigations that he made, allowed them to strive without tampering with their allocations, and that allowed them to execute quality projects like health centers, rural roads, and many more. He said that this is the best way to be in touch with the people at the grassroots. So guys, during the time he was in Ohafia, ANPP, that's All Nigerian People's Party, had a councillor in the person of Mr. Udonsi Ekekalu from Okon. Alliance for Democracy councillor in the person of Mrs. Grace Abara from Ameke Abriba. NDP councillor in the person of Mr. Eke Idikowa from Akanuku, and others from ANPP were Abata from Boro and Hillary from Anya Ward. Others from PDP, that was democracy in action. So he was asking what suddenly changed. It is time to get it right again. That is what he was lamenting, and he was referring it to the Governor of Abia State, Governor Alex Otti. So guys, he said that the then chairman of Ohafia local government area, Barrister Emeka Kalu, said they brought Zenith Bank, Eco Bank, and microfinance banks to Ohafia because the allocation from the federal government was domiciled in Ohafia and no more Omahia as it were. So guys, Orji Kalu'S gave them free hand to employ Ohafia people into the local government system. They completed Okon Ako Health Center through their councillor, Honorable Udensi Ekekalu, built Akarani Bridge, Asaga, and the contract was awarded to one Prince Ndubisi Onugu. So guys, he did asphalting and opened the Ohafia Ring Road that transversed through the late Chief Ojigwe's house up to Timber Shade Road, Ebem, Ohafia, and this has made it possible for people going to Asaga, Okon, Amangu, Ndi, Orieke, Akano, Ndi Uduma, Abia, Arotuku, and so on, to have alternative roads whenever there is hold up at Ebem Park. So guys, the story is the same in the other local government areas. He said that they need to return to that era where government is handled by the locals at the rural levels to youth restiveness, unemployment, and insecurity. They need to return to that Orji Kalu'S era. That is what he has been saying, and people have been reacting to that actually, and that's the recent update that is going on in Abia State. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please, if you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and drop your comments below. See you guys in the next video.